Hello, I'm Liang, and I'm currently doing my PhD studies about exploring the conceptions of students as partners in Chinese higher education at the University of Queensland with my supervisor, Kelly. Kelly, can you brief introduce yourself?
Yes, thanks, Ife. Hello, everyone. My name is Kelly Matthews. I'm an associate professor at the University of Queensland in the Institute for Teaching and Learning Innovation, and I have had the pleasure and joy of working with Ife for the last couple of years.
Okay, thank you, Kelly. It's super exciting, to share ourselves to the audience with this excellent book via this short video. And following our introduction and the reflection in the writing, we believe we now have a sense about what is students as partners and how culture matters in interpreting SAP and designing the pedagogical partnership practice. Based on the 3 steps we provided, at here, we're offering some details and explanations for implementing and designing the culturally respectful pedagogical partnership practice. Okay, so the first step is essential to first understand what partnership means to Asian students. Or it could be, exploring what kind of learn-teacher relationships are meaningful and collaborative to both students and teachers in your context. This could be gained through, some surveys and short interviews, and this like the culture translation and sense-making process to the values and premises of the SAP, of the Western idea of SAP in Asian context. And then step 2, based on the understandings gained through, the step 1, students and teachers will have the chance to be able to co-create the process of partnership practice. Because their understandings of partnership values are basically in line with each other after the step 1. But the forms of the practice don't need to be same with that, in the Western context. The better forms are to better reflect and embody the cultural understandings of partnership values. Okay, Kelly, can you briefly talk about the step 3 and conclude our talk?
Absolutely. So the third step that we've suggested during implementation phase is that teachers maintain the ongoing dialogue with students around how the changing roles and power dynamics in partnerships are actually changing their views and beliefs about what it means to be the student and the teacher in a more meaningful way. And through that, the established connections and new awarenesses have the chance to be reflected as learner-teacher relationships grow and shift and develop. So, in conclusion, we hope that our guidance has helped practitioners move towards more culturally respectful design and implementation of pedagogical partnership practices, not only in Asia, but in any cross-cultural context that you might find yourself in. And what that's going to do, and we hope that process, it will be challenging, and it challenged by the Western-centric literature on learner-teacher partnership. So thank you.